Good morning, students. Welcome to Sinapali College e-classroom. Okay, we are going to cover a novella, Old Man and the Sea, part of American literature, and written by Ernest Hemingway. I am going to divide this novella into three parts. One is small introduction about Hemingway, the novelist, and second part is main storyline, and third part is what is the hidden value, what is the hidden story, what is the hidden moral thinking of Hemingway inside the story. That is the third part. Okay. Uh, so today is a very special day. As we say, today's date is 21st July 2020, and Hemingway's date of birth is 21st July 1899. So today is a very special day on American literature, and we are very lucky that today only we are going to know about his special novel Old Man and the Sea. So Hemingway won Pulitzer Prize for fiction. Fiction means non-real stories, and Nobel Prize, the highest honor, 1954. Okay. Coming to his baseline, we should know something about Hemingway so that his writing are influenced by few things. We should know that. During First World War, he was selected for army as an ambulance driver. Before that, he has tried 3 times for army soldier, but he was refused because of his low vision of eye. Few of his writings are influenced by World War or warlike situation or strong moral characters, because he has seen the war very closely. ତାଙ୍କର ବହୁତ ଗୁଡ଼ା ରାଇଟିଂରେ ଗୋଟେ ୱାର୍ର ଇନଫ୍ଲୁଏନ୍ସ ଗୋଟେ ରହିଛି ତାଙ୍କ ରାଇଟିଂ ମାନଙ୍କରେ, ବିକଜ ସେ ୱାର୍କୁ ବହୁତ କ୍ଲୋଜଲି ଦେଖିଛନ୍. ସେ ଗୋଟେ ପାର୍ଟ ଥିଲେ. ହି ହାଜ୍ ସିଟେଡ୍ ମେନି wounded soldiers to hospital. He had seen many dead soldiers during World War One. Many families. He have observed the dedication of soldiers during war towards their country. ତାଙ୍କର ଦେଶଭକ୍ତି ଦେଖିଛନ୍. ତ ସେଥିଲାଗି ତାଙ୍କର ରାଇଟିଂ ମାନେ ବହୁତ ଇନଫ୍ଲୁଏନ୍ସ ଅଛି. Further in later stage से फ्रांस के पढ़े आए. He moved on to France, and in between there was a controversy of his nationality as an US person. Okay, this is what the introduction of Hemingway. And coming on to the main storyline, Old Man and the Sea. As we can see that Old Man and Sea, these are the two main. One is the character, another is the, we can say, the base. Okay, the storyline plotted on Cuba. Cuba is an island country south to United States of America. You can very well see on map. So the storyline is set on Cuba. Okay. Main protagonist Santiago. Santiago is the main character. He is a fisherman of 80 years old. So he is an 80 ବର୍ଷର ଗୋଟେ fisherman. Then his assistant Manolin, he is a boy learning fishing from Santiago. से Santiago पाखରୁ fishing ଶିଖୁଛନ୍ତି ନୂଆ ନୂଆ. His assistant, ସେ ବହୁତ କେୟାର କରସନ୍. Manolin ବହୁତ କେୟାର କରସନ୍ Santiago. He make tea for him. He washes his clothes. He take care of his house. Then marlin, a type of fish found in Atlantic Ocean. Then the sea, the boat and shark. Okay. Another thing, that is sun, which influence all these novel. So story is like this. Santiago, the old fisherman, since last 84 days, he has not caught any fish. He was a failure fisherman since last 84 days. So his friends, other fishermen, were started laughing on him. He is unsuccessful fisherman, and Mandolin families, Mandolin's father, mother, ता बापा माँ Mandolin Manolin से कहवाटा स्टार्ट कर देते कि you should go to other fisherman who is successful in fishing so that you can learn something from him. गोटे सक्सेसफुल फिशरमैन पाक जाओ शिखी पार तो फिशिंग. He is a very old man and he cannot fish. He is too old to teach you about fishing. But he got a very close emotional attachment with Santiago. तार बॉस प्रति से गोटे इमोशनली अटैच रहइथिला से आउ छाड़ीबार लागि चाहू नथिले मैनोलिन. ओके. Then after 84 days, Santiago planned that I am fishing on a small area, so I should go to the open sea. मु समुद्र को जीवार कथा, open sea को जीवार कथा, so that I can fish big fishes. मु बड़ा fish एठी माछ ना तो मु ओपन सी को गले अधिक फिश करबे से प्लान कले दी जण. Then Manolin says that you should take me with you. मते भी तमे संगरे नबा कथा, but Santiago refuses. से मना कले, you stay, I let them go. Then Santiago went to open sea. Early morning he started his journey. Then by reaching open sea, open समुद्र पर्यंत पहुंचे तांको 4 noon हे गला, around 12 o'clock 1 o'clock पर्यंत से पहुंचे. Then he put his hooks, तांकर hooks जो माछ धरिया पाई जो कांटेक्ट है, hooks spread कले. After few hours of fishing, he got a big fish, marlin fish, catch into his hook. तांको hook रे आसे कि से marlin fish ता, it is around 90 kg of weight, 90 kg ओजन रो गोटे marlin fish ता तांको hook रे फसी गला. But his boat was too small and himself was alone to pull the fish inside his boat. तांको boat भितर को से fish को pull करी कि आनिया पाई तांको पाखे एते आउ एनर्जी नथिला. तो there was a 2 days journey of fight between Marlin and Santiago. 2 दिन पर्यंत दि जनकर भितरे गोटे फाइट हैला. Santiago ताको पुल करथले, से Santiago पाखु को आसनथला, से रोप रे Santiago को पुल करिया को चेष्टा करथला. So both were having a fight of 2 long days, 2 nights and 2 days रो गोटे फाइट हैला तांका भितरे. Then Santiago wounded, तांकर हाथ जो रोप रे जो पुल करूथले, हुक जो रोप रे अटैच थिला, तांकर हाथ got wounded, he got wounded and slightly demoralized that I am too old, I cannot catch the fish. I caught the fish but I am not getting to receive into my boat. Then finally he decided that anyhow I got a fish and I will take it to market and I will get a good amount for running and I will be avoiding the other fishermen's laugh. बाकी जो मैंने हसुथिले मोर प्रति सेमाने आ मोर प्रति हसी पारिबे नाही. सेटा तांकर गोटे हैप्पीनेस थिला. After 2 days he decided that I will give my full energy to pull the fish and take it to market. Okay, now story move on and Marlin fish started rotating around boat. Boat रो चारि पाखे गोल गोल बुलिबाटा स्टार्ट कर देला. And he finally pushed his best, तांकर मैक्सिमम एनर्जी देले आउ फिश को पुल कले. आउ फिश when fish came near he used a harpoon. हम ओडिया से बर्छा टाइप का कहू, harpoon यूज करके फिश को मार देले. After that he attached the fish side of the boat, boat रो साइड रे से अटैच कर देले फिश को ଆଉ ତାକୁ boat ଉପରକୁ ଆଣିବାଟା it was not possible for him to alone take it inside the boat. So he attached the fish side of the boat. Then he was so unlucky that day that while he carrying the fish towards his destination, ଯେତେବେଳେ ସେ beach ଆଡ଼କୁ ତା destination ଆଡ଼କୁ ଘରକୁ ଫେରୁଥିଲା boat ରେ, the bleeding which carries जो marlin fish जो bleeding carry करथिला ता harpoon जेंतु से harpoon had been pulled inside his body, so he was bleeding. Marlin fish was bleeding. So because of the bleeding, as we know, shark fish attract on bleeding. किसी को bleeding हेले shark fish गुड़ा का attract ही जानते. So because of the bleeding of marlin fish, shark fish were being attached to the blood. तांको जो bleeding पाई ସେମାନେ attract ही गले and he attacked on boat to eat. So the fisherman Santiago tries to kill the sharks also, but starting he was unsuccessful because there was huge sharks and he was afraid of slightly. But after बहुत परिश्रम कला पर जेतु से गोटे fish धरिची after 84 days, he was mentally very strong that I will not leave the fish today and I will take it to home anyhow. For that reason, it may happen that I will lose my life. मो जीवन पछे पड़े जाओ, but मो आज fish नहीं की. He was very strong. By psychologically, he was very strong. Okay. I'll keep this side so that you can see the view clearly. So shark tries to kill marlin fish, try to eat marlin fish. You are already killed by Santiago. So while he was carrying the fish towards his destination, shark attacked on that. 5 shark attacked on that, and he started eating the fish. By the time Santiago takes out his harpoon and penetrate into one shark, गोटे shark ऊपर से पूरा furiously attack कला और गोटे shark को ता harpoon रे मारी दला. The shark was dead, but unfortunately the shark carried the harpoon. जो harpoon थिला बच्चा जो harpoon थिला से harpoon को से गोटे shark धरिकी पळेला. Then what happens? Other sharks started eating the marlin fish. Then boat रे गोटे था that is called oar. You know oar. Boat is being pulled by the oar. So suddenly after the harpoon loss, he attached the knife onto his oar. ता जो कातो oar कातो रे गोटे knife fix कला harpoon तैयारी करिया पई फटाफट करी कि he got it ready that so other sharks can be killed by him. बाकी जो shark माने attack करछे marlin fish पर तांको भी मारी पारिबो. Then finally he succeeded that he killed all the 5 sharks, but unfortunately जो मारिबा period during his fight between shark and Santiago, the marlin fish was sacrificed. There was only head and bone left. खाली मुंडो आउ हाड़ रहिला till the time he reached to the beach. ता डेस्टिनेशन को पहुंचिया पर्यंत मुंडो आउ हाड़ खाली रहिला, बाकी सब शार्क माने खाई देथिले. So Santiago was unfortunate and he was totally demoralized on his own luck. ता किस्मत पर से बहुत हरास ही जेतले बहुत भाबिले I am so unlucky fisherman. Then he left the fish on the beach. So beach रे का ता head आउ जो skeleton थिला ताकू छाड़ी देले आउ से घर को जाई सोई पड़ले. Then next day morning, what happened? Other fishermen who were laughing on Santiago came to the beach and see so huge fish, 90 kg of one fish. They started measuring it, how long the fish is. It was around 18 feet. 18 feet length रो ये fish थिला. तो जो tag थिला Santiago पर जे he is not a good fisherman. It was a slap on other fishermen. तांको गोटे सिख थिला जे though he is too old, se budha hele bhi he can fish big fishes. By the time in the early morning, Manolin came. He was much worried about his boss. He was missing for last 2.5 days, approximately 3 days. His boss was missing. He went to his hut. Kudia ke gole dekhle tanko boss achandi. He got newspaper and coffee for him from nearby market. The fishermen who were measuring the fish, other fishermen जो मैंने fish को measure करते थे length को त्या size को, they saw Manolin को देखले कहले tell your boss convey sorry from our side. आम साइड सॉरी बोली के कहबो तुम बॉस को हमर जो थिंकिंग थला he is a old man, he cannot fish catch the fish, but we were wrong. हमें भूल थिलु. We got a very big fish. Unfortunately it was killed by shark, that is different thing, but he got the fish. This was to convey by the other fishermen to Santiago को convey करिया पे Manolin को कहबा. And this is the end of the story. This is the main storyline. And the influential character was Sunshine. Because of sunlight, he was getting exhausted while there was a fight on Santiago and Marlin. Then the waves of sea रो जो waves थिला, से भी ताकू disturb करथिला like hurdles of life. So now next part we will moving on the moral hidden stories. जो hidden morality अच्छी story रो जोटा author एथे hidden रखी चलती, his internal thinking that will cover next.